I made 6.7% in 12 days, and in this video I'll show you how I did that, but not only that, but also how our clients got a similar result. So let's dive into it. If we have a look here on my account, just to show you, and I think we can highlight this here, that I started this on the 1st of September, right, this month. And if we scroll down, you can see that now it's the 12th of September while we record this, and you can see that the initial balance here was 100,000, and now it's 106.697 thousand, so almost 6.7% in just 12 days. And the really cool thing with this is, and this is really the lesson here, is that we're only risking 1%. So I'm risking 1,000 since the account is 100,000. We're only risking 1,000 in order to make 3 times as much the minimum. It's not always doing that, right? But the importance here is to cut your losses short. So what you can see here, it says in Swedish, but it says profit 1,000, 1,500, then minus 500. You see, I'm keeping my losses small. And then I have some losses here. You see, I have some small profits when I moved my stop loss. It took me out, and then a loss of 1,000. That's 1% loss. That's what I'm doing here. And then I had a profit of 1,700, so 1.7%. And then I have another profit of 1%, and another loss of 1%, right? And another loss of 1%, then another loss of 1% here. So you see, I have 3 losses in a row, really. But after that, I got 2.6% profit, and then another 1.6% profit. So you see, I'm trying to let my profits run while I'm keeping my losses really, really small. And we're going to share a lot more videos like this just to show you how we're doing it, and we're using a breakout strategy for this. And let me show you how we did this for our clients as well. So for our gold fast track clients, what we've done here, you can see I post the very chart of what I'm looking at, right? I'm just sharing, this is what I'm looking at, guys. You know the strategy, and do your own research and see if you want to do the same. And then I update them on here. You see that I've now, and you can even see the date on here. So I posted this on 9th of September as an example. This was on oil. And just a few hours later, I posted this one here, the picture over here where I said, all right, so now we're actually up 2% on this. So I'm moving my stop loss to 1% profit. And as you can see, if I scroll through this a little bit, you'll see that we're posting a lot of trades here. And the members are doing the same, by the way. But here, for example, we have another trade, a Bitcoin breakout trade that we placed as well, where we made a couple of percent on that as well. So every single day or a couple of times a week, we are placing these trades. So the cool thing is, it does require some experience, but when you really learn how to trade, you need to master the 2 golden rules, and that's really all I'm trying to apply. We find a pattern, we use a clear strategy, and for us it's a breakout strategy. And then we follow the 2 golden rules. We really cut our losses short, and we let our profits run as long as humanly possible, all right? So that's it for this update. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next.